And he says, our song is a slamming screen door, sneaking out late, tapping on your window when we're on the phone and you talk real slow, cause it's late and your mama don't know. Our song is the way you laugh, the first date, man, I didn't kiss her and I should have. And when I got home, for I said amen, asking God.
Hey guys, it's me Claudia, and today it's a really hot day, so I have my fan here with me, helping me to survive to film in this video. Okay, so the school is over. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday for me. School I finished. For me, school is finished today, and in honor of this, I want to do a what's on my back school finish edition, end of school. If you want to know, it's Monday and school finish in a week, but I'm pre-filming because I'm getting good. Oh my goodness. If you follow me for a while, at the start of this school year, I made a what's on my backpack. Pretty organized, clean. My backpack now, it's first of all dirty as hell, because it's school and public transport. Usually I bring a lot of things with me at school because I always have to have all with me. So let's see what's inside of this pocket. First of all, I have my eyeglass container with the glasses inside because I'm blind, but I just usually now I'm for a month now I'm using contact lenses, and I found really well with that. So I'm bringing this for emergency. Sticky notes, my wallet, bring this with me. I don't know honestly why I have this. I have my I think it's Justifying, I don't know, for the absence. I have another one, a mini notebook, deodorant from Nivea, and this is the afterward I have. Ooh yeah, the treasure of tissue. And after I have this little camera, I don't know why honestly, hairband, another pack of tissue, a pair of sunglasses, tape, bloop. What's the? There's no more pen in here. It's destroyed. A pack of mints. This thing that I don't know what it is. 2 cents. Attached at the backpack, I mean here, I keep my keys, so they're the only things organized the thing in this backpack, and these are my keys. Honestly, just these 3 are my keys. These are all key charms. Oh, I found my hairband. A power bank, because obviously you have to have my power bank always with me. I'm going to put all the things back in this pocket because it's a mess. Now I'm going to in the big pocket. First thing that you can see probably is this, and this is my makeup bag. After I have this bag with my school t-shirt that I'm not going to show you because it says my school name, and I want to show you, hey, pencil case from Ispak. I almost finished a pen. I'm really proud of myself. I have my planner. This is the Mr. Wonderful planner. I have my water bottle. This is a thermic water bottle, so my water will be always fresh during the 5 hours at school. After I have my umbrella, but I don't need this anymore, so I don't know why I keep it, just for emergency. I have my physics notebook, pretty destroyed. I have 2 notes, like notebook, physics book. This was pretty much all that was on my backpack. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if your backpack at the end of the year is the same as mine. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it's like this, please put a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, because like I already said, I will put a lot of videos during this summer. And after, please follow me on my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And the most used is Instagram, and like I said in all of my videos, is the social media that I use the most, and is the social media where I share more of my life. So yeah guys, remember, this is my everyday of your life, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.